Hey everyone, welcome to part 1 of the retro build series. I'm going to quickly go through some parts. So first of all, the main attraction to this event, we've got two 8800 GTSs. This is both 320 meg, Inno 3D and XFX. The XFX does have a problem, the video output's not good, but the card will work because I'm chucking these both in SLI. Currently I'm waiting for thermal paste, SLI and a bunch of other stuff in the mail. I stole some DDR3 from one of my servers down there. This is also an Athlon AM3 Athlon II. Now the reason why I didn't go to DDR2 is because I don't have a motherboard that has 2 PCIe slots, but this one's only X4 as well. X4 speed is definitely enough for one of these cards. It's a 970 chipset, so yeah, it should be good. If this card ends up not letting Windows load or whatever, it's going to have to be removed. I will do the baking method later. If this card is toast, I would make a whole video on baking this card. GA978D3 board. This is a non-ATX power supply, but it has enough wattage for the two cards. Also got one of these adapters for the XFX card. WD-40, you can't do any machine builds without WD-40. First part here is I took out my old AMD cooler. It's really nasty, it needs to be cleaned up. There's a massive dent there. So I'm going to clean this out, and then I'll come back when I'm actually building the system. There's only so much you can remove from a heatsink, so I'm going to chuck the fan back on. Very nice. Okay, so I want to clean up the bottom of the heatsink as much as I can. It's still mangled and dented, but with a fair application of thermal paste, it should be good. Just drop it like that. Very nice. Okay, so I went ahead and did it because that's not going to work one-handed, I'm sorry. And let's flip the heatsink onto the chip. Let's drop this down. This is HyperX 1600, I'm pretty sure the CPU is 1300 only, but 1330, maybe even 1066 if I'm unlucky. I'll chuck in a speaker, chuck in power switch. Let's put in a expensive retro card in one-handed. Power connector. Yeah, let's turn it on like this. Right? Okay, both plugged in. Rolex. The moment of truth. Both fans decide to do the thing. 1, 2. Both at full speed. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Oh, posted. This will happen. See ya.